What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be flying the UMX Erratics inside, and hopefully I don't crash it. Let's see how it goes. All right, we're going to start with the gyro on, which limits our range of motion, but will make it easier to fly. Let's do it. Okay, so this isn't very hard. It's a lot of rudder and elevator input. Let's bring it down and see if we can do it with gyro off. All right, switching the gyro off, this is gonna be a lot more difficult. Let's see, we'll probably want to launch this in a hover so we have time to react. Whoa. Yeah, I kind of lost orientation there a little bit. Oh, crashed it again. We had it coming back towards us, but we ran out of air. Ooh. Oh, sorry, plant. Oops. Well, good thing that's my plant. What kind of plant is this again? Burning bush. I got the sap on me. Is that gonna burn? Okay, well, I'll give you an update on that. We're gonna fly it again. We've broken this a little bit, but should still fly. Okay, well, I'd call that a good landing and not a crash. Whoa. Okay, that was a crash. And we've broken this wing even more, and this one a little bit, but it should still fly. Well, that was a slightly less intense crash, but that wasn't great. Okay, before this gets bad, let's land it. And there we go. We've had some success, and that's where I'm going to end the video. I'll see you guys next week.